Hi everyone, I'm Petra and welcome back to Primary Tutor Scotland. Today I've got a fun outdoor activity for you to do that's all about measuring. So here, almost dropped it, I've got a large stick. So I just found this out about the local woodlands, and what I've done is I measured up 10 centimetres each. So we've actually made a metre stick here. So each ribbon here is 10 centimetres apart. Alright, so I used cut up t-shirt, but you can use whatever you want. And all you need to do is you need to go around and measure things with your new metre stick. So here I've got a few things that we can try measure together. So here I've got a little penguin. So first of all, you could ask your child to estimate how high or how tall they think an object is. Alright, so here we can see that the object, if we put it down here, it's just below 20 centimetres. So you can guess, what do you think it is? Maybe 17, maybe 18, and then you can use your tape measure to check. Alright, let's move along. Here I've got a little potted plant. I would say that's roughly the same size as the penguin, but maybe a wee bit taller because of the bigger leaves. So I'm going to guess that that is bang on 20, maybe 21, 22 centimetres, and you can check here. Yep. Oh, I was a bit off. I would say maybe 25. So then you can go check yourself. Alright, so now I've got a little garden ornament. I've got a little fox here. So what you can try do is you can guess again. Remember to ask your child, and remember you can compare them. So if you think that that plant pot is just above half the height of the fox, and we guessed that that was 20 centimetres, what do you think the fox is? So it's using all of the mathematical language. So I would probably guess that the fox is going to be roughly about 40. Let's see if we're right. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, not quite at 4, so maybe it's 35. Alright, and look at this tiny little hedgehog down here. What do we think that could be? Maybe we can compare it to the penguin. Is it just below half the height of the penguin? That was around 17 centimetres, so are we going to guess that the hedgehog is maybe 10? Let's find out. Yep, I would say maybe 7 centimetres. And then lastly, I've got this very tall flamingo here. So what do we think that is? What could we try compare that to? Maybe the fox. It's a little bit trickier. Alright, so we can measure it and see how tall our flamingo is. It is almost the metre. Now obviously this stick bends, so it's not going to be absolutely accurate, but it's just using all the different mathematical languages. It's shorter, taller, by half, by 3/4. What do you think? So this is just going to be roughly around 90 centimetres, but then you can always check. Alright, so have fun with this activity and let us know how you got on.